Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Word tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add comments on your Word document. So just like you can see here, let's say this is an article or a statement of purpose of somebody that the person is saying I should review it for the person, and I should give my ideas or my take on it. So here you can see I've opened it on my Word and this is it. So I think there are some suggestions I want to make on this statement of purpose, but then I can't just send an audio to the person describing all these suggestions to the person, and the person is not even going to get it like that. So I think I'd have to add some comments on every part. I think there should be some changes. That is going to be something easy for the person. So to do this, to add a comment, you just need to highlight. Let's say I want to add a comment on this paragraph. So I highlight it. When you're going to even get this, but if you don't get it, you right click, and you're going to get it. So new comment here, and you can see my name is Michael. So let's say I don't even have anything to say here, but let's do it blah blah. After that, that's it. So I have my comment here. Good. So when you tap on this section, you are going to see this. Good. So when I finish all my edits and I send it out to this person, when the person opens this document, they are going to see all the suggestions here. Even on a mobile phone, they are going to see it here. The difference on a mobile phone is it's going to be highlighted. So when he taps on it, he's going to see the suggestion. But if you are using a PC and your screen is broader like mine, you just be seeing the comment here like this. So when you tap on the comment, you're going to see where it's directed to. And let's say I have a problem with this side as well. So let me come here. There's the last word. So I just go on and then do another highlight here. Something like this. If you don't find the comment after the highlight, you just need to right click and then you choose the new comment, and then you add something like that, and you are good to go. And now you move to the next section, something like that. So if you want to revert something you've done, I think you'd have to be tapping on this to revert your actions. Yeah, if you think you did a mistake, you just revert and you redo it, undo and redo, something like that. So that's it. If you are done with the suggestions, I think you'd have to come here and then you save it as a new document, or you do save as or save. So that's it. But in my case, I don't want to save it. There is no problem with this document, so I'm not going to save it. So that's it on how you can add comments on a Word document. So that's it for the video. And if you want tutorials on MS Word, I have a video on how you can delete pages on MS Word. I have how you can count your words, and I'll be doing a lot of tutorials on it. So be checking my channel, and if you've not subscribed, I think you should subscribe to my channel for more updates in the future. So that's it for the video. Once again, peace.